Good day everyone, welcome to Cardboard Fashion. Today I'll be showing you on how to cut a baggy trouser, a baggy jean. The exact baggy jean you are seeing on your screen right now, that's what we'll be cutting with the measurement of 92 centimeter, which is 36 inch, and the length is 102 centimeter, which is 40 inch. The hip will be 104 centimeter, which is 41 inch. The ankle round is 51 centimeter, which is 20 inch. The knee round is 56 centimeter, which is 22 inch. The lap, your thigh, which is your lap, is 63 centimeter, which is 24.5 inch. Then your short, like from your waist to your knee length, is 50 centimeter, which is 19.5 inch. So we'll be starting with the waist, which is 36 inch. So in getting your waist, you divide your waist measurements by 4. You divide your waist measurements by 4. 36 divided by 4 will give you 9 inch. So you place the 9 inch here. But before starting your trouser measurements, you first of all give at least 1.5 inch. That is 1.5. You give 1.5 inch before measuring your waist. So let me mark the 1.5 here. So this is my 1.5 inch. Then I will measure the waist from that point to this point, 9 inch. So from this point to this point is my waist measurement. Then the next thing we'll be going with is the thigh length, which my thigh length that I'll be going will be 11. So I'll take it down by 11.5. I'll take it down by 11.5. So this is 11.5. Then the half that I add, I will minus it from the top just to have a slant to make it fit. So from this point to this point is my thigh length. Then next I'll be going is my full thigh, like my thigh round, my thigh, which is the lap round. So I say the thigh that we'll be using is 24.5 inch. Divide it by 2, it will give you 12.25. So I will be placing the 12.25 here under the thigh. So here is the 12.25. So this is my thigh round. So what I'll be going next with, I'll be going with the hip measurement. So like I said, the hip measurement is 41 inch. So 41 inch divided by 4 will give you 10.25. So I'll be going down. So if I want to have my hip length, like where, okay, should I come and measure my hip from this point or where? So the way I do get my hip point from, I get the full length, which is 11 divided by 2, 5.5. That is 5.5. So I will be putting it here. So this is my waist point. So I will get my waist, which is, though before then, for you not to be confused, you will join this point to this point with a ruler, or so this is it. Then I'll take it 10 and quarter. So this is where it ends, 10 and quarter. Then I'll connect this line. So this is it. Then next I will be taking is the short length of the trouser. So the short length of this trouser is 19.5 inch. So this is 19.5 inch. So this is the length of the trouser. What I'll be going next is the round of this knee. I'll be placing the round knee. But before I'll get that round knee, I want to make the trouser, since it's a baggy trouser, for it not to look like a normal pencil trouser, I will want the trouser to be straight from this point down to the leg, for it to be straight, to pronounce it out as a baggy. So in getting that, we'll divide the thigh round. We'll divide the thigh round by 2. So like I said, the thigh round is 24.5 inch. So yeah, 24.5 inch. So the 24.5 inch divided by 2 will be giving us 12 and half. So after we have that 12 and half, we'll divide 12 and quarter, we'll divide that 12 and quarter by 2 again. Reason is because I want to get for me to take this thigh round, this lap round, the thigh round, I divide the full measurement by 2, because I'm getting it on one leg, so I'm dividing it by 2. For now, to get the middle of my thigh, I will need to divide it by 4, which is 24.5 divided by 2 will give me 12 and quarter. Then 12 and quarter divided by 2 will give me 6 and 2 points. We'll divide the quarter by 2, it will give me just 1 to almost 2 points. So I'll be putting 6 and the 2 points. So let me measure it here. So this is the middle of my trouser. This point is the middle of my trouser. So I will take this down to have the middle of my trouser. So from here to here is 6.2 points. I'll take it down to the length to give me that 6.2 points. The short length, then I will give it a mark. So this is the middle of my trouser. Then in getting the round of my short round, because I will need to for me taking the short round now, I'll need to take it from this point. I'm not measuring it from the beginning of the fabric anymore. I'm measuring it from this point. Since this is the middle of my baggy jean, I'm taking it from this point. So from the measurement I said, my short round is 22 inch. My short round, that is the knee, your knee round, is mine is 22 inch. So this 22 inch now, we'll divide it by 4. Reason is because we are taking it from the middle. So we are dividing it by 4. So 22 first divide by 2 is 11 inch. So 11 inch divide by 2 is 5.5 inch. I don't know if you are getting. So that is actually 22 divided by 4 is 5.5 inch. So this 5.5 inch now, I will place 5.5 inch out, place 5.5 inch out, then it will give me my normal knee round. Normally the knee round was supposed to use normally is 11 inch, but because we are starting it from the middle of the trouser, we are taking it 5.5 inch and 5.5 inch. So let's take it out. So this is my knee round. So check it out now. You see it's 11. You see, from this point to this point, this point to this point now is 11. Times 2 will give you 22, which is our knee round. So let me give it a line. So you getting it. So this is it. Then we'll connect these points to this point. Let's have the shots. So this is it. Then we'll connect this point to this point. Although what we'll be using, we'll be using a French curve. In case water. In case you don't have a French curve, you can just do a free sketch. But if you have your French curve, you can place it like this. Make sure this point is touching the beginning of the trouser, and this point is touching. So this point is touching the knee point, the end knee point. This beginning point will be touching the beginning of the trouser, and this point will be touching the hip for you to have it straight. So this is it. Then next we'll be shaping this side too. It goes like this. So this is the short of the baggy jean. So what we'll be doing next, from the measurement I said the full length is 40. The full length of this baggy jean is 40. So I will take the measurement and get the 40. Okay, the full brown paper is already 40. So this is 40 and some little inch. So this is 40. This is 40. Then the same way we take the measurement of this knee round, that's how we take the measurement of this ankle round. So like I said, from this point to this point, from the middle point of the baggy to the beginning of the brown paper is 6.2.26 inch plus 2 points. So we'll take the same thing down here, 6 inch plus the 2 points. So this is 6 inch plus that 2 points. Then my ankle round, is 20 inch. Divide by 2 is 10 inch. So 10 inch divided by 2 is 5 inch. Reason why is because we are still following this midpoint. Let me draw the line. So this is it. Then I'll take 5 inch out. 5 inch out to give me 10 inch, which is the full round. So 5 inch out, another 5 inch out, join it together. This is 10 inch. 10 inch from this point to this point, 10 inch. So I'm connecting it. So this is my ankle round. So I'm taking it, I'm joining this point to this point, this point to this point. So this is the front of the baggy jean. This is the front piece of the baggy jean. Okay, let's go back to the waist. Remember we took 5 inch out. It's supposed to be 11, but I'll take it 11 and a half. Is it 11 and a half, which is supposed to be 11. So we'll be taking out the half now. So this is it. The next we'll be doing is the cutting. After getting your front piece and getting your back piece, you place the front at the back pattern. Place it at the back pattern. Then from this point, upward, you take 1.5 inch out. You take 1.5 inch. So this is 1.5 inch. This point is where your trouser will be starting. Your front piece trouser will be starting from. This point. Then you draw it. You get a line up. So it's starting from here. You draw a slanting line to meet from this point to meet this point. In case you don't know the reason why I take this up by 1.5 inch, I take this up by 1.5 inch to give the shape. You know, if you put on trouser, the trouser, the front and the back won't be the same, because the front is actually flat, but the back, your ass will push the trouser backward a bit. Then when the trouser pushes back, this 1.5 inch will fit in with the trouser. But if it's the same with the front, when the ass push the back piece or the trouser backward, you will see an opening. It will be somehow like, if your top goes up, it will be somehow like opening that shows your ass. But this 1.5 now will give it a balanced shape. So this is it. Then when you have this like this, then you add 2.5 inch allowance from this point to this point. In this 2.5 inch, you have your sewing allowance and your normal back piece allowance. So this is 2.5. This 2.5, I will give it a straight line. So this is it. So now I will take this piece now. I will trim this excess part. Let me add the same 2.5 here. So in getting it, in trimming it, I want to do this. So this is 2.5 allowance. This is 2.5 allowance. So before I take it down, I will first trim the excess part out. Let me trim the excess part out. So if you trim the excess, you drag this point to this point. Let this join this point for you to have your allowance. If you have this allowance, you will now trim the excess part here. So after you trim this part, We will go to the shaping of this the back. So this point is the point where you have your back. Then we'll use our French curve again. Trim it out. So now you have your front piece and your back piece. Then what we'll be doing is we'll be placing them on the Ankara or the jean or any fabric at all. The fabric you are using, we'll be placing these pieces on the fabric, then you cut the fabric.